Hello, my story friends. Today we are going to listen to a story related to Lord Shiva and Shravani Somvar. Shravani Somvar means Mondays which fall during Shravan month. Savan or Shravana is the fifth month of the Hindu solar calendar. This month is devoted to worshipping Lord Shiva. It is believed that those who dutifully worship Lord Shiva during this month are bestowed with success, happiness, and prosperity. All Mondays, that is Somvars, which fall during Shravan month, are considered highly auspicious for fasting and known as Shravani Somvar or Savan Somvar Vrats. Today's story is of a king and an old woman who followed the Vrat of Shravani Somvar according to their own understanding. Lord Shiva and Shravani Somvar. Once upon a time, a city was ruled by a king who was a great devotee of Lord Shiva. In the auspicious month of Shravana, the king decided to pray to Lord Shiva and perform puja on every Monday. He prayed with great devotion, but the king was not satisfied with his own offerings. He then told his minister that he once wished to fill Garbhagruha of Lord Shiva's temple with milk. Garbhagruha means sanctum sanctorum, the innermost room of the temple. It was a very difficult task as the king wished to fill the entire Garbhagruha with milk. The king was worried about achieving it. His minister gave him an idea. He said that we will ask every villager to donate as much milk as they can. Thus the king made an announcement that every Monday every person from the town should bring all the milk they have for Lord Shiva's worship. They should not use any milk at home, not even for children or elderly people. People became afraid by this royal order. Nobody understood how to follow this order. So from next day, nobody allowed their family members to drink milk. Children were not allowed to be fed milk. Even calves were not allowed to be fed by cows. The entire milk from the town was gathered by the villagers and was taken to the temple and poured into Garbhagruha. But the Garbhagruha did not get filled. The king and the ministers were worried and did not know what to do. There was an old lady in the village. She believed in doing her duties religiously, and she also strongly believed that serving her family was like doing service to God. On Monday morning, the old lady woke up. She finished her daily activities, fed the babies and young ones of her family, gave grass to cows. Other family members had the meal. Everyone was satisfied. She felt that her God would surely be happy as everyone was happy and satisfied around her. Finally, she decided to go to the temple for worship. She took flowers few grains of rice, and a small bowl of milk. She reached temple, worshipped Lord with full devotion, and finally prayed to God. My Lord, the king has offered so much milk into your Garbhagruha. It is not yet filled. I know my little milk will not make much difference. Yet I am offering you whatever I could. She said so and poured milk into Garbhagruha and came back home. But a miracle was seen. Garbhagruha was overflowing with milk. Everyone was shocked. Priest informed this to the king, but nobody understood the reason. Next Monday, the king appointed soldiers around the temple to investigate. Same miracle happened again, but could not understand why. Next Monday, the king himself sat next to the Garbhagruha. He saw that when the old lady offered her milk, the Garbhagruha started overflowing. King quickly held her hand. The old lady was frightened. The king told her not to be afraid and tell him the reason. She told, because of your order, babies, young ones, and calves remained hungry. Their souls pained. Elders were agitated and were cursing you. God does not like it. That is why it did not overflow. So, what is the solution? Asked the king. Let milk be fed to babies, calves, and young ones. Let everyone be satisfied. Then only Lord will be pleased and Garbhagruha will overflow, replied the old woman. King freed the old lady and made a new announcement. On the fourth Monday of the auspicious Shravan month, the king himself worshipped in the temple. Only after feeding babies, young children, and calves, the milk was offered at the temple. With folded hands and closed eyes, he prayed to Lord Shiva. When he opened his eyes, he could not believe his eyes. The Garbhagruha had started overflowing. The king was pleased. He awarded the old lady for her thoughtfulness and kindness. The king understood that praying to God is very important, but God is also happy when people around us are happy and satisfied. So it is important to help others and be kind to others. Hope you have enjoyed hope you have enjoyed the story. Please like the story and subscribe the channel Stories on Plate.